Welcome everyone, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop, and the screen is quite badly broken. I received this laptop from one of my very good customer. Just like that, you can see how badly is broken, but luckily the frame of this computer was slightly bent and I managed to fix it. So now we have this broken LCD and we need to put a new LCD in the laptop and then see if the laptop is still working. So let's do it. This is ASUS gaming laptop. This is ASUS TUF F15 series, Core i7. Probably got 24 GB of RAM and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX series on it. So it's quite good gaming laptop. So let's see if I can fix it. So I'm just gonna try with the brand new LCD if the computer still works. Okay, I have a brand new LCD and we're gonna test this LCD on screen on this computer and then see if the computer works. So we're gonna put it like this and we're gonna connect this connector to this LCD and then see if the screen works perfectly. Show that the LCD screen is working and if the computer works perfectly. I charged it a little bit. Let's hope. There we go, computer is coming on. Okay, there we go, the computer is working and there's nothing wrong with the computer. So I'm just gonna restart one more time and then see how the display works. And I have to hold it like this because the screen is still not attached properly and I'm just testing it right now. So we're not gonna remove this plastic until I see everything is working on this computer. Okay, the screen is working perfectly. I don't have this password from the customer, but the screen seems to be working and the computer is fine. I'm going to install this screen and let's see how it works. Okay, I just applied some adhesive in back of the LCD, so we're going to remove this plastic. Right. Okay, we are done with the screen. Screen is being installed very nicely and the frame is also very nice. It's not a problem here and I can quickly close it here. It's closing properly. So we are missing some screws, so this is very important. I'm gonna install this screw and these 3, 4, 5, so 5 screws are missing and then we are done. This computer is ready. Why are you making noise from this side? So yeah, from here. So the screen is done. Gonna run a test on it and then see how it works. Alright, so we're gonna put it on, but before that I wanna tell you this keyboard is quite dirty. We're gonna clean this keyboard nicely. This ASUS laptop is going to USA. One of my customers stays that side, so he's a student and we're gonna fix it. We're gonna clean it nicely before he travels. So now we can put the computer on. Laptop is working, the screen is working perfectly. This computer have SSD, it's a Core i7 with probably 24 GB of RAM. It's a gaming laptop with NVIDIA GeForce RTX series. So this laptop has no other problem except the screen was badly broken. So our work is done here. So we're gonna just clean this keyboard. We're gonna clean it nicely and it's quite badly dirty. So we're gonna clean it nicely. We're gonna give him in a good state and neat and clean. So another happy customer. Please guys, subscribe to the channel so we can work more.